We call it a diversity hackathon because we have here students for 24 hours and we require them to do an activity that will improve diversity and inclusion in the whole campus.
We decided to take on the challenge of helping specifically the visually impaired.
How do we make Texas A&M a place where all people, regardless of gender identity or sexual orientation, feel included?
So the project we are building is Aggie Eye. So we have support for things like free food events, group study events.
We're trying to make the library more accessible to more students.
Hackathon is a fantastic opportunity for our students in engineering to not only try and do inventive ideas within a short period of time, but also to be creative and innovative and be ready and thinking that way before they go out in industry so they can really be contributors for their employers.